watercolor pad giveaway to one lucky artist. When I hit 60 subs, I'm giving this away to one lucky artist. Introducing Gigi, my dog daughter. Okay, back to the giveaway. I've been painting for so long, and one of my favorite tools is the Arches watercolor pads. The one that I'm going to be giving away specifically is Coldpress, and the weight on it is 300 grams and 140 pounds. So this is a really, really good giveaway. I can't remember what these cost right now, but every good watercolor artist has one of these stashed away somewhere. What I love about it is that you don't have to tape down your paper, you know, because it stays right on the pad until you're finished painting. So what I'm doing right now is using a pair of scissors to pull the sheet right up off the pad. And also, these watercolors that I did, I'm going to be showing you how to digitize them. I only cut off the portion of the watercolor block that I've painted on. So once again, just this one side of the paper of the pad that I've used to paint these cute watercolor tubes. So I don't want to take the whole sheet off. I'm just going to loosen it up to the point where I can get in with my scissors and snip that end of the watercolor block off. So what I was saying earlier is I'm going to have a video on how you can turn your watercolor artwork into clip art, stationery, cards, and other digital art. I hope you love these paintings because I'm kind of salivating. Anything in the rainbow colors, I just adore. It's my go-to whenever I need any kind of stress relief or if I'm bored. It's like if I can't figure out what to paint, I just say paint something in the array of all the colors of the rainbow. Something else I'll show you how to do is a lot of times when you're painting, you leave residue from another painting on the edges of a secondary painting. So once you digitize it, I'll show you how to go in with Photoshop and lift up any of the dark areas or marks. Something else I'd like to show you is I just paint off to the side of the paper because I know that I'm going to take this into Photoshop and I'm going to turn that blue tube into a full tube of paint. Gigi so wanted to be in the video. Look at her. She says, "Mama, put me in the video too." I love her. Is she adorable or what? Comment below. Do you love her? I love her. She's a keeper. And that's all, folks. Nap time.